Блять, вот суки, а. Great day today. There is a lot of car parked here, but my car is missing. I think they evacuated my car and I cannot even call the number. There is not enough money on my phone. My car was staying right here. You can see a lot of cars are also staying here. But they evacuated my car. And let's see the sign there. What was the sign? And how do you think it is possible to see the sign while driving here? There is a lot of traffic. And let's see this sign. What was this sign? This was the sign, okay. You see how many cars are there? And also here? And also how many pedestrians? And you have to see it. Okay, now I have 100 rubles. Now I have 100 rubles. And then I'll try to call this police, parking police, which want to make money out of my car. 062, букву я точно не помню. Toyota. Еще раз не расслышал. 3 kilometers from here. Oh, and how much to pay? Oh, great news. I can get my car immediately, but I can pay later. In 30 days. Of course I'll pay in 30 days, motherfuckers. Maybe even tomorrow I will run and pay. Oh, this car stole my car. They are working very hard to make money. But sorry, I'm not participating in your business. All I need is to get my car and then pay later, which means never pay any fines. I refuse all of the fines and I refuse all of the taxes, because do you know taxes? Oh, soldiers. A lot of soldiers are walking over there. So I'm talking now about tax paying. I refuse to pay any taxes anymore. Do you know why? Because when I ask them, where is this money go, which I pay for taxes, and they say it goes to repair roads, it goes to build schools, hospitals. And when I ask, but why is my road so muddy right next to my house? 10 years I am living in this mud and no one repairs and no one builds a new road for me. And they say, it's not our responsibility, you should go to administration. And when I go to administration, they say, it's not our responsibility, go to taxpaying, to tax office. And I go back and forth like a ball, jumping from one office to another, and no one is responsible. So you will live in your dirty, muddy roads and you still have to pay taxes every year. And if you refuse to pay taxes, they will start collecting your money. These tax collectors, and how they work? Nowadays it's very easy. They just go directly into your bank account and they withdraw your money. Just one click of a button. And this is why I'm saying, now I will close, no, not now, tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm closing all of my bank accounts forever. I don't need it anymore. Because why do I need such a bank account which stores my money and which blocks all of my bank accounts? Just because of a small fine of $10, they can block all of your money. So I made this decision. I'm closing. And in addition to that, I have great bonuses. I don't have to pay fines for my vehicle. I don't have to pay attention to any cameras anymore because they cannot get money out of me. I don't have bank accounts. Sorry guys, this is my decision once and forever. And now I just have to get my car. I'm walking already 30 minutes. And by the way, the car is over there. This car is evacuator which stole my car, and I have to go that way to find it. Where is it? Oh, yes, as I thought. Parking fine. I have just arrived to parking fine. And where is my car? А что за очередь куда? Все. По поводу этой эвакуации, да, машину типа забрали. У вас у всех, да, забрали. А кто последний? Куда идти? Сюда, да? I need to get my papers now and then go there again. Здрасте, документы можно в машине взять?
Да, можно. Права, есть, страховка, давай.
Страховки нету только.
Ну это просто я напоминаю.
Ага. А где найти ее? А, вон, вижу. Там знак не видно было. То есть там поворачиваешь, там кольцо, там знаете какое движение? Там просто толпа машин, толпа пешеходов. Ты вот буквально поворачиваешь, и тут прямо знак висит. Как я его мог увидеть?
Начинаете движение, начинаете.
Так там все сигналят со всех сторон. То есть как бы я или ДТП сделаю, или буду смотреть на знаки. Мне куда смотреть? На дорогу или как бы я просто... 30 дней
на
дается.
оплату, оплатишь и это. Или сюда позвони, или туда позвони.
Через Сбербанк, да. I spent 3 hours waiting for my car and luckily I didn't pay. I just got these bills. Thanks God I got bills to pay later and I'll pay later, okay? This is how it works. But most of people they pay now because they agree and I didn't agree. And I said, otherwise I will call police. And they gave me all of my papers. So I just have to get it now. So I will pay later according to the law, which means never. Thank you so much to this evacuating day. And now I can go home without spending anything on this parking lot. Crazy Russian police.